Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna keep this video talking about alright, like side hustle 3. Side hustle students can start in 2015. Um, go on Indeed, get a job. Stop playing. Get a fucking job. Get a fucking job. Stop playing. Alright? Go on Indeed and get a fucking job. Stop playing. I made a video on that. Boom. Just apply to everything, go to everything, and then somebody gonna meet people, and that's it. There's new places and all that. Like, you're gonna get something, especially if you're in the city, you Gucci. Alright, then I would say business credit is the best side hustle with a job. Stack it up, whatever, and you get the escort, the DNB number, the NAV, the trade lines, and then all that. You go from tier like Uline, like net 30 accounts to fleet accounts, store accounts to revolving. Hey, that's in 6 months. You're gonna have like 20 bands, 50 bands, and some credit cards for real. You gotta build it up. That's business credit. And then you wanna get this merchant POS, probably like half a thousand. It's worth it because then when you build, you can create as many corporations as you want and build business credit. So you do it again, and you get another merchant. Boom. So you could have only need like a couple with merchants or one. You could have like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, not 10 corporations in business credit. Once you get the credit cards for them, um, you can use anytime mailbox, grasshopper, Fiverr, um, what else? Let's just sell. Let's just sell. Man. As you building that 30s, you got this already. Then you go into fleet cards, store cards, revolving cards, and they're gonna see like, oh, you got a virtual business address. It looks like you inside of an office or whatever, and they could forward that mail to your house. So you apply with that office place. So it looks like your business is in that office place, that workspace, whatever the case, and then they're gonna forward it to your house. So the lender that's about to give you a $20,000, $30,000 business credit card wouldn't send it to your apartment, but they would send it to your office, like workspace, and then you get them to forward it to your apartment, your house. That's how it works. So that's $10 right there. Boom. You get the 800 number. Boom. You pay somebody probably like less than 100, or you hook it up yourself. WordPress, Shopify, something simple with like menus, contact us, this, that, third, like um, all of that. So when you going through those net 30, fleet, store, revolving, that's what they're seeing. They're finding you on like yellow pages and stuff. They seeing that you got a workspace. They see you got an 800 number. Your website looks professional. All of that. They could call you through that 800 number. They could email you, or you could have a professional email too. You could probably use Zoho. I ain't gonna lie. Namecheap and Zoho. Zoho's type cheap. Uh, show you right now. Yeah, they type cheap. Not even like, not, it's type cheap though for sure. Um, Zoho Mail. they're gonna give you like the domain. See, it's like cheap. It's not even like half a year of building the business credit, and you already got the cards. So $4 a month, $10 a month for the virtual business address, and then you gotta account for that because it's like, all right, now 6 months of paying that, how much is that? All right, I think you should get this one since you're gonna no, build one then build the other then build the other. I mean, yeah. All right, boom, 18 a month. So you gotta be like, all right, 18 a month times 6, 10 times 6, that's 60 a month. I mean, that's $60 of the virtual address. 20, 20, 20, 60. That's like 120 of the 800 number. Set a domain, and then the domain's probably like $10, $12. That's for the whole year. You Gucci. I think 5. I don't know. Yeah, the whole year. You Gucci. The professional email. That's where you hook up the domain and everything. $4 a month times 6. It's like 24. So it's like 60. 120. That's 180. 190. It's like 230. And like fees to upkeep like the presence, so like the lenders could qualify you and approve you, because it can't just be any sloppy number in your permit and any without like looking real. It has to look real, so you gotta invest in that craft. So it's like, all right, the LLC, I mean the S corp, this is a corporation, and the EIN is there, the articles of incorporation is there. They're gonna send it to you. Um, that's 330. Boom. Plus the 230, so that lenders could approve you because it qualifies. That's that's like 550. And then you getting all those net 30 accounts. You probably have to buy some things, like probably like $20 stuff, $50 stuff, just to get like some trade lines. $50 a month for two trade lines. I would say like another half a dollar, like less than 1,100. You probably invest in your corporation, and you're gonna come up on top when they start approving you for like 5, 10,000, 15,000, and then you gain like 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 revolving lines. You go from tier 1 to tier 4. Tier 1 is net 30s, tier 2 is fleet cards, tier 3 is store cards, tier 4 is revolving cards. It's gonna be like around 30,000. You only invested like 1,100 around there, like 1,000 to 2,000 in the middle, closer to 1,000, and it took like a 6 month process, but probably less than 2,000. I ain't gonna lie. Um, and you with this POS merchant and everything, and then you did it again, but you have like $30,000, $50,000 credit cards. You just swipe one business on the other one, boom, boom, take it out and promote yourself. You can sell your products, boom. You just skip the whole process of trying to build organic traffic. Now you're using Google AdWords to promote yourself. All of those like things, like mediums, like to help you promote yourself in your product. The funnels, you got schedule ones. You get on sales calls, tell them, all right, so you want to, this is where you are, this is where you want to get to. You want to change, believe like, all right, this is what you need to change. All right, so why not just stay where you are? You got to change, right? All right, boom. Now they agree that what your offer is what's gonna help them change. And you just saying, like, yo, this shit is fire. This video was fire. I don't even know, but I'm just talking about shit. I'm putting it on for real. Like this online shit, motherfuckers is running it up this way. For real, like For um, yeah, it's not like that like easy. You gotta put the work in every time. Great offer. Like it will even be where it's like word of mouth because it's so great. That's how great you want your offer to be. But yeah, you will also take that um and get off market deals through this. You see what I mean? And then whatever you gotta put up, you take that business credit. And then Data ASO, I got right the mail campaign. It's on the 2000, but they it's getting deal flow too. Know that they motivated early in the 80s, 40 years ago, plus 20. They motivated, they looking to retire. So when you come in as an investor, you got possibilities of deal structures and all that is that they could end up living how they want it afterward. All that you just they just keep getting payments to do that and they take the whole note, like the whole home carry thing. But you had to talk to them, you had to create the relationship. The broker, they just want their commission. It's not the same. They might mess it up too. So yeah, I'm putting you on right there. What else you can do with business credit? Cause you liquidating like 50K, 100K. You can definitely use that to put it up for some fire shit. Some fire shit, like for real. Oh yeah, this was about the hustles and all that. I put y'all on. It's business credit. Your offer, your great offer, and get into business, get assets. Shit is elite, bro. That's why I can't wait. Like I can't wait till I get my thing, bro. My corporation. It's a LLC. I don't know if it's a LLC. I should get or it's an S corp. It's the same thing. It's a EIN in a corporation. It's a little bit different, and but the purpose for it is to get merchant accounts and business credit cards. But could be used as a SPV too. It has like three purposes, but mainly like business credit at the beginning, promoting it. Alright, we'll put you on to some other fire. Hustlers reselling and there's e-commerce. So, for example, like you can look it up on Reddit, um, replica suppliers. So basically, you use those business credit cards, liquidate them. You have inventory of replica. Like the whole inventory of replicas. Um, you can resell that at a profit. Um, that's fire. You can also do drop shipping. You can use Shopify. You can use AliExpress. What they want, and you can promote it on TikTok ads now because they're more pennies on the dollar. They're new. Not a lot of people competing on it because they don't know how to use it. They all using FB, so you're gonna be using your business credit and TikTok ads. That's another hustle, but it's like it's however the hell you want to do it. But look, buy super high quality one-on-one stuff, and it's worth it. And then you sell it in Yoji. SPV is a special purpose vehicle. That's also what the corporation could be for business credit. merchants, and a special purpose vehicle. So you do an asset purchase, or however the hell you make it so they keep the liability and you keep the assets. And the SPV helps you get that. You need a transactional lawyer, give them like a successful. Yeah, that's the best way to work. Um, yeah, this shit is fire though. Like for real, like look, you can get a clothing brand. This is fire, bro. Like, especially if they got the place too. Nah, they don't got the place on this one, but this song you can find a place. Like I've been thinking about that. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, let me show you something real quick. Colombia. Mm-hmm. Yep. Wait. See the store right here, and they got things there. You see all that, all those boxes. Or you can just get your suppliers, and then you have your suppliers boxes in there, and you selling from in there. Boom. What the market already wants. I put you on. Look, 89K, bro. All it takes is two LLCs and business credit, and you can have that little store right there and have it all those boxes from your suppliers, and then you selling all that. Just put you on some fire ass hustle right there. But yeah, you gotta come with the funding. Business credit is the best way. Um, yeah, bro. Hope y'all found it useful. Like, comment, subscribe, peace.